So we got our brand new two-door 2018 JL Wrangler. I'm super excited to build this thing instead of that lame-o four-door station wagon. They gave me $30,000 to build this. We're gonna have the best build. It's gonna be so awesome. Okay, so it turns out it was $30,695 to buy it. So we're already $700 over budget. These things are expensive. All right, we're gonna have to do this on the cheap. So the first thing any build needs is a lift kit. But we're already kind of behind the 8 ball on this budget thing, so we needed a lift kit for no money. But as luck would have it, JKS called and they said they needed a two-door JL for product development. Now I don't care what they call it, all I care is that this Jeep is higher and we didn't pay anything for it because we got a lift kit for free.
I want a chicken sandwich and some waffle frost for free.
All right, time for wheels and tires. Our friend Corey at Untitled Tires, these were on his SEMA Jeep last year, and he sent them to us last week so we could put them on JCR Jeeps to piss the internet off as a joke. Corey wanted these back, but no, I'm just gonna keep them. And right now you're probably saying, oh God, no, please don't run these wheels and tires. What are you gonna do about it? You're behind a computer screen, this is my Jeep, I'll do whatever I want. Let's get these things on. All right, those look free and big. So big, in fact, I think we're gonna hit this front bumper when we turn.
Every now and then I get a little.
So at JCR Off-Road, we make bumpers like every day, but it turns out they cost money. And I'm already over budget, so I gotta do this cheap, so I'm just gonna do it the old-fashioned way and make my stock bumper a stubby bumper. Now you can take some tape and you can mark this up real nice, but I'm a professional, so I'm just gonna freehand it. Let's get this going. Whew, this blade is dull, but it turns out that new blades aren't in my budget. Just gotta power through. Probably should have unplugged that first, but whatever. A bit more here. All right, one more to go. Hiya! Yeah. Oh man, look at all this clearance for these big tires, looking great. But like I said, I'm a pro. I'm gonna put some end caps on here, and I know just the stuff to do it. So while I'm doing that, let's go over our budget. Out of our original $30,000, we spent $30,695 just buying the Wrangler. Can you believe that? Things are so expensive. So for a lift, we went with a JKS J-Spec, and they did that under their product development, so it was free, so you can't beat that, and it looks awesome, and it's got like 3.5 inches of lift, which is great. And then to fill up those wheel wells, we added some 22-inch wheels wrapped in 39-inch Canati mud hogs, and that was free too. Thanks, Corey. So in the next episode, we're gonna go over some lighting upgrades to make this thing really pop at night on the trail. It's gonna look awesome. Can't wait for you to tune in. We will talk to you soon. Oh, hide that. Hide that right in there. You know, thanks for watching.
I had some lonely nights.